Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. So baby is sleeping and I'm going to try and make a quick breakfast. I already done my fruits this morning. I did cut up some fruits. So I'm going to have peanut butter. This is the one that I got last time I went shopping at Waitrose, but you can get these anywhere, Amazon, any places that sells it, you can get it. But yeah, I'm gonna get toast and a quick coffee, and we've got to actually head out because we've got an appointment at the GP, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But quick, my toast is ready, and so I'm just gonna make my toast. Yes, I'm just gonna make toast now, and coffee. The coffee that I'll be having, so I'm gonna have decaf. I'm gonna have decaf coffee. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the coffee that I'll be having. Decaf coffee with brown sugar. So yeah, let's make it. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, guys, help me grow and become part of the community. Like I said, if you want to see more mummy content, let me know. Or I'm slowly getting back into my health and fitness journey, like daily exercise routines. But for now, my main source of exercise is walking. I walk a lot. Everywhere I can walk, I walk. If I can't get there by walking, I just drive. Now that I'm able to drive again, because previously, for the past couple of weeks since having the baby, I wasn't able to drive because I had a C-section. So driving was out of bound, but now I can drive again. So thank God for that. But yeah, do you like, I got this from Primark, this pajama outfit from Primark. Let me know what you think. I think Primark is becoming a little bit expensive, you know, a little bit expensive. Let me know what you think. The cost of Primark clothing these days, I think it's gone up a little bit. It used to be like the go-to place to buy, like, you know, affordable clothes, but now I find that it's a little bit much, and sometimes you don't always get the best quality, and if you want the best quality, they charge you even more. So let me know. But I like this brown outfit. I did get it in the green, in the forest green as well, but I find that the material is not great, because when you wash it a few times, then you start to get like the white bits that pulls off. So yeah, didn't really like that too much. But stay tuned. Let's eat breakfast before this one wakes up, and we actually have to go. We're running late. So these are the fruits that I'll be using for my breakfast. I have a selection of fruits each and every single day, but it's mainly what I get in the week when I do my weekly shopping. Always make sure that I wash my hand thoroughly, and I also wash the fruit, and I just dice them into small portions and into a bowl. The reason why I cut them into small portions like this is because, number one, it'll be so easy when I put them onto my toast, and also I tend to like eating my cereals with fruit. So like I have like a cereal fruit bowl, or if I'm making oats, then I put them into my oats. It is just so much easy when they're all chopped up. But yeah, I have a selection and a mixture of fruits depending on the season as well. So we're now going into winter, so in the UK, you don't really get much summery exotic fruits at the moment. It's mainly your whatever's in season at the moment. You get a lot of apples. You still get oranges all year round. The blueberries are not as sweet, and you've got this fruit as well. I always struggle to pronounce it, but I'll leave the name here for you. But yes, so that's what I do. You get little brown patches, but that's nothing to worry about. It's still edible and delicious. These are actually really sweet, so I really do enjoy eating that fruit. But let me know, guys, do you eat your fruits daily? I absolutely cannot go a day without eating fruits. If I don't cut them up like this, then I'll have them as a whole whenever I need to have fruits. If I'm in a rush and I don't get time to eat my breakfast, I'll just literally pick up a couple of fruits and then I'll go. When I was actually pregnant, I would take so many fruits into work, and and then it will be absolutely great. And it's great for your fiber. So if you're struggling with fiber intakes, eating your daily fruit allowance is really, really handy. But yeah, let me know, what's your favorite fruits? I love mango, but here in the UK we just don't have delicious mangoes. I mean, we do get them when they're orange season, but mango is my absolutely top fruit. Any exotic fruits is my number one. So I've chopped the apples, I've taken the skin off, and also guys, you can keep the skin and make like a tea, a pineapple skin tea. Really, really good for detoxing. But yeah, the pineapple had a few brown patches, so yeah, I won't use the whole pineapple, just a few chunks, and then the rest I'll keep it in the fridge. The rest I'll keep in the fridge, and then I can even make like a pineapple smoothie with it, and then I'll just use it again for the next day or during the day when I feel like having something sweet. But I'll keep it in this container for now. But guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, like, come on, subscribe, like, share, hype me up, become part of the community. And that is my bowl. I'm gonna have some blueberry, one flew off, but yeah, love blueberries, absolutely love it. But yeah, that is my fruit bowl, and that's what I'm gonna put on my toast. Absolutely delicious. I can eat it like that, but we'll have toast this morning. So I hope you have enjoyed me just showing you what my fruit bowl is like. And I add a bit of lime just to help with maintaining the bananas and the fruit, so it still stays fresh throughout. So I've managed to make breakfast. So I've got my coffee. It's still a bit hot, and I've got my, so baby's waking up, so gotta eat and go. So good.